The Goodnight Train by June Sabelle. Wash the cars off with a hose. Scrub the engine's dirty nose. Scrub it up, toot toot. All aboard, the sun is down. The Goodnight Train is leaving town. Find your sleepers, grab your teddy. Climb upright, your bed is ready. All tucked in, the porter cries. Pillows fluffed, now close your eyes. Woo-hoo! Wheels are churning, smoke drifts high, painting clouds up in the sky. Huff-a-puff, 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 choo-choo! Slumber lumber up the hill. Cars climb slowly up until fly through a tunnel, black as ink, in and out before you blink. Catch that freight train whizzing past. The Goodnight Train is moving fast. Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Cars sway on the wooden track. Wheels go click, wheels go clack. Glide across a plain so flat. Gently toss this way and that. Clickety-clack, clickety-clack, clickety-clack. Pushing toward the station light, cars crawl on with all their might. Chugga-chugga-chugga-chugga-chugga-chugga-chugga. Sweet dreams ahead, the porter sighs. The tired train can close its eyes. Good night, train. Good night. Good night.